What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here, and in this video I'm going to break down what digital marketing is and how you can get started in this ultra competitive but ultra lucrative field. If you're interested in this kind of thing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, SEO, online business, consider subscribing to the channel. I go really in depth into the different aspects of digital marketing and online marketing in general, and leave a like on this video. In essence, digital marketing is any online marketing activity that you engage in or marketing through an electronic medium. It has the same definition as marketing, which is the process or action of promoting and selling something to your target market. Now, this encompasses many things, marketing as well as digital marketing. Marketing traditionally included advertising via newspapers, radio, television, magazines, etc., etc. But the problem many brands have with traditional marketing is that it's incredibly hard to track. At best, you can set out a traditional marketing campaign, say in a newspaper or a magazine, and add a coupon to kind of track how many people are actually responding to that and try and get your conversion rates based on the estimated distribution of the magazine. It's a piss poor way to do it, to put it lightly. But digital marketing opened up a whole new level of analytics and channels in which brands can get in front of their target audience. These channels, they're very diverse and new ones are popping up every day. But in short, they include advertising like PPC advertising, content marketing, search engine optimization, etc. And there are countless moving pieces and formats when it comes to digital marketing. Now, I'm going to give you a short list, which is by no means the end-all, be-all list of digital marketing assets and tactics and strategies you can create. So of course you have things like videos, then you have blog posts, then you have social media posts, then you have like Pinterest pins and infographics, then you have product imagery, you have sales pages, you have email campaigns, individual newsletters, pop-ups and opt-in forms, interactive content like quizzes. Shout out to Kylie's, we do pop-ups and quizzes, you should definitely check us out. Post on question and answer sites, webinars. I mean, the list goes on. And what do brands really use digital marketing for? Well, they use it for the same thing that they use marketing for. They use it to connect with their target audience and create brand awareness, generate leads, and sell their products. But the difference is that it's possible to track and do attribution for digital marketing in a way that's impossible with traditional advertising. You can see exactly how many people viewed an ad, how many people clicked the ad, how many people converted directly after the ad, how many people came back and converted later, how many people switched devices and came back and converted. So attribution is one of the main strengths of digital marketing. But you don't track just for tracking's sake. You track things in order to understand if you're hitting your KPIs, key performance indicators, things such as increasing your leads, increasing sales, increasing website traffic, increasing brand awareness, increasing positive word of mouth, increasing customer reviews. All these things are key performance indicators that you use to measure your digital marketing efforts again. For example, a digital marketer can be tasked with generating 10% more leads month over month, and that would be their key KPI. And it's up to them to determine which channels, with methods, and which strategies they use to achieve that KPI. So how do you get started with digital marketing? Well, you can go out and pay for a university course, but that would be what I would consider a bad option because digital marketing is constantly evolving. Facebook of today is different from Facebook a year ago. What worked 2 years ago is definitely not working now. The same with YouTube, the same with Twitter, the same with Pinterest. It's constantly evolving. So the best way to break into digital marketing is either work with an agency or some kind of digital marketing firm, though they like to take people who are experienced, or start your own projects and set your own KPIs, whether that's delivering search engine optimization traffic, whether that's growing an Instagram account from scratch, growing a YouTube channel, etc. Once you start your own project and educate yourself along the way, you have a body of experience that is transferable into different roles and positions. There's nothing else like it. So if you're interested in digital marketing, consider following the channel. We talk about affiliate marketing, SEO, digital marketing in general, online business, all the good stuff. And I run constant experiments with different digital marketing and online business strategies so that you can follow and be on the cutting edge of what's working and what's not working. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.